Hello everyone, my name is Dharmi Chavya. I'm currently a student at Marwari University studying ICT in my 4th semester. So, today we are going to discuss about Power BI, the statistical analytical tool. I'm excited to be here today and learn more about Power BI, a powerful data analytics and visualization tool developed by Microsoft. As a student, I eager to explore how Power BI can help me gain insight into data and make informed decisions. I look forward to learning more about the key feature and capabilities of Power BI and how to create effective visualization. So, uh, basically, what is data set? A data set is a something that we have to import or connect to Power BI. Let we connect after a time with Power BI. One dataset can be used over and over and can used in many different reports. Visualization from the one dataset can display many different dashboards. So what is report? I will show you. This portion is called dashboard, and this in which we are doing is known as report. So report is one or more page of visualizations, charts, graphs, bars, images. This is known as report. But we can make whole together, then it is known as a dashboard, which has some visualizations like if I want to know in 2012 how much sales has begun. So it takes some time. In 2012, total number of sale happened is of rupees 2.26 million, and total five product which I have which we has have a profit is Ibico, EPK, like Cisco, Nokia, Samsung. So these are the profits name which we have gained, and this is the loss product name. The customer's name which has consumed more number of sales with we can also change by clicking. So a dashboard is a fun and easy way to organize dashboard title or grades on a canvas. A dashboard can be created very easily and effective or attractive manner. A title is a snapshot of our data set and pinned to the dashboard. A title can be created from report, data set, dashboard, from Excel, from SQL, Python, R, etc. So now we are going to create some visualization. For that, we need one data set. Currently, I am having a data set of global sales 2016. Based on that data set, we are going to learn how to create a dashboard and some concepts of visualization. So it may take some load. From get data, we need to import our data set which are in Excel format. I will show the Excel sheet. Here we are having order ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, name, segment, postal code, city, state, country, region, market, product, category, subcategory, product, sell, quantity, discount, shipping, and order priority. Here there is three part: order, returns, and people. In return, it means that if we have ordered from Amazon and the product is defective, so the order is written or not, and where it is written, what is the ID of return. So it may having such data. In people, we are having who has written and the person's name and the region where they were living. So now let's export our data into Power BI. From get data, we need to import our data. Over there, if you have SQL Server database, so you also can upload your data set with SQL Server. Web, then you also can connect it with web. If we are going for a live data set, then we need to connect it with web server, because it having a live data, so we cannot convert it into a Excel workbook. It goes to manual, and from we convert it into web, then it may have a live data, current data. So right now we are having a static data, so we need to export it from Excel workbook. So here I am having a global superstore 2016 data set. Open. It may take some time due to the large number of data set we are having. So in Excel sheet, I already have said orders, people and returns. But over here, we need to check each and every box, because if we didn't select each box, then it may not come into Power BI's format. We need to select it manually. Load. It may take some time due to large data set. Even also, it is possible that in my laptop there is multiple tabs open, so for each and every tab it may not take much load, so it also may take some time to load data set. So now it's loaded, already showed here. Now we will going to check if it is correctly loaded or not. So here, yeah, row ID, order date. It's taking some time. Yeah, it is correct. Let's see about people. So here the Power BI has considered person and region as a column, but we need to extract it as a name of columns. We'll show how to do it. Similar thing has happened in returns. So for this, we need to do a transform data. order is already perfectly working, so do not need to change it. Here we want the person and region as a column names, so we just need to do use first row as a header. A simple thing need to do, use first row as a header. We don't want column 1 and column 2, we want person and region instead of column 1 and column 2. So use first row as a header and it will become a header file, person and region. Similar thing we are going to do in returns. Return and order ID, order ID and region are in row, but we need it in header. So similar process we are going to do here also. Yeah, it becomes here. Now we need to filter some thing that okay. Once it's done, close and apply filter. So let's check it again. It's creating connection. Yeah, here the changes has begun. Return, order ID and region. So here we need to some clean the data, such I want ship date and order date. I want the delivery days. In how much time does delivery happen? Minimum average delivery. For average delivery, we need to do average or that mean median. But here I want each row has each delivery day. So what I will do? Again go to transform data. From add column, we are going to use two columns. First is custom column. Over there we can create a column by using current data, and in conditional column there is a if and else statement. Here we need to do some change in column. In columns we have, so we required a conditional column to use if and else case. Here we are going to use a custom column because we just needed delivery days. So create a column. Over here it is Power BI is easy because we need to clean the data set, but afterward it is having a GUI base, so it is easy to understand and learn the working custom of Power BI. Delivery. Yes. Spelling error. We need to closing brackets. Here what we required for delivery days. So we require delivery days in positive manner. So ship date minus order date is required. If we do order date minus ship date, then it may come in negative and days would be negative. So by double clicking it, it came here minus order date. Okay, yeah, but it's showing some another kind of data set, right? Data type, but I want it in some number called whole number. So here it came 2211, the number of delivery days. So 11, 13. 13 minus 11, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. 18 minus 17, 1. 30 minus 28, 2. Here I don't want the null value. So simply I just go to the click and deselect 0. So it will delete all the row whichever having 0. There is no row which are having 0. Now I also want a year, how many years are there. So the data set is of at column, custom column, it's year. Here what we need to write, query date dot years. This is a query which we can easily find anything in the query in itself built in Power BI. So in brackets we required ship date because if we do not have any data over here, then how would we know about in which year it happened, which year in how much sales happened. So we require date, ship date. Okay, and now it creates a year, the column of year. 14, 14, 12, 13, 14, 15. It has been a data set till 2016. Now I would like to say that if we want to work with any data, so it must be in numeric form. We cannot use it while having a for calculation purpose. Not string format is not used. We required numeric format. So for this we are going to use a conditional column. So click on conditional. Here we write, this is a column name. What name we have to give to our column? Written order. If written order equals to yes, then output should be 1, else it is 0. We required here 1 and 0. Yeah. Every written has done, so there is no 0, no null value over here. Now it completed, so we close and apply. Whatever we require here, we can build it from visualizations, and the filter we want, like I have used in this data set. So here I have applied a filter loaded. I have applied filter like product name. I want top top 5 product name which has profit in 2013. So I have choose top 5. Also we can choose 6. Apply filter. It came with 6 number of product which have been top. We need slicer. Here from orders we can here need to drag and drop in field, so it shows like this. First we will create every part, then after we will go to editing. Now I want total number of cells, so I will create one card and drag cells to field. I got 12.46. Copy, paste. Now what I want? Now we want quantity, delivery and return orders. So here we'll use quantity instead of sum. Quantity, delivery, but here we want average of delivery, so from here we will use, first of all, this is sum of delivery days as I said earlier. Now we need it in average, so from this we are going to choose average, but we don't want numerical value, so decimal place up to 0. Okay, I will from here, this is the visualization. Whatever we want over here we can use it from here. I don't want that numerical after point values, decimal values I don't want, so I go into value, call out value, and here I put value decimal place up to 0. If I put here 2, it came 3.97, but if I do 4, it came 3.9694, and automatically it will convert into a whole number. Now we want total number of written orders. We got it, first part. Now I want top 5 or 6, whatever we want. I will choose one chart. Here is the chart, and I want product. I choose product name because I want total number of product which has sale more and give us a profit. So total number of product name and sales. Here it is. Here a graph. Now it's turn for filter. We want the top 5 product which gave us more profit. So from here we required filter. from here we are going to do filter. From here basic, choose top n number of filter, sorry, not filter, top n product name. Whatever how many product we want, it depends on us. Right now I want 5, so we'll write 5 and yeah, we want here profit, so we need to add value by profit and put 5. Apply filter. It will give top 5 product name which was high profit. Control. Now I want now I want top 5 loss. So simply I just do, instead of top I'll use bottom and apply filter. It will show me bottom, like it has loss more than profit. Now I have used top 10 customer name. We are going to use similar. We can use any of the graph, it depends on us. Sum of profit to y. So such as from here also we need top n, add profit, and profit actually it sells 10. Customer name and sum of profit by customer name. This is sum of profit. We will arrange it one by one. Now let's use pie chart. In pie chart, we are going to use segment. Sum of quantity. Now Let's use a donut chart for discount. And not discount exactly, let's select country. Also product name and discount. Let's use region instead of discount. It's showing so much. Okay, it's okay. Let's choose market itself because it's been so much. Market sum of cells. Now let's take map. If your map is enabled, so you need to go to file, open and setting, option and settings, options, security, and if this checkbox is disabled, then make it enable and then apply OK. So your graph will show seems like this. Here let's select location is country. We also select cities, but right now let's skip it. It's okay, we also use city. But it shows very huge amount of data, so let it be in country. Yeah, country is best option. And in bubble size, let's select sum of cells. Yeah, done. If let's now take now we want a background color, so now we need to make it very attractive. So how we can make? Go here from wallpaper, browse, you can use any of it. Okay, let's select this or this. Here we will use fit, so it will fit from whole the area. I don't like this. We will use different. Fit. Now let's make it decorative. let's put one scatter. One more feature over here is if we use we didn't select this and click on another, then it will create on a same. So we need to firstly select it and paste one more graph. I'm going a little different. Let's US region. State summer return order. Ship mode. And some cells. So here I have used in legend ship mode and value is sum of shipping cost. So now I will click this in 2012 how much number of sell has happened. So it will show me sum of cells is 2.26 million, 31k sum of quantity, 4-day average delivery days, 1079 return orders, and here are the top 10 profit by customers. Now let's do title, let's change name. Background color, let's make it transparent. Whatever we want to choose, we can use it for our decoration. Here I will put it as it is. Let's change color. Why it is going in loss, so I will put it this way. Such similar thing we need to do in every part. Here from border we also set it like this in each part. Likewise, we can decorate our dashboard. Main part is how this easy to make dashboard. Thank you.